Even in a world filled with science and logic, superstitions refuse to disappear. Across cultures, humans continue to believe in things with no scientific basis. Why is that? It all begins with ancient fears. Long ago, our ancestors faced real dangers in darkness, wild animals, and the unknown. Their brains learned to detect patterns, even where none existed. A broken twig, a shadow, a strange sound, survival depended on caution. These instincts became stories, rituals, and symbols. Passed down from generation to generation, they embedded themselves in culture. Today, many of these fears remain. We knock on wood, avoid black cats, and hesitate to break mirrors. Our brain still reacts to uncertainty as if the dangers were real. Science can explain the logic, but it cannot erase the instinct. Because superstition is not just a lie. It is a survival mechanism shaped by evolution. And that is why, despite all knowledge and reason, superstitions never truly vanish. Science evolved, but superstition never vanished.